Hi friends! For this activity, you're going to be sorting seashells. So you will see in front of you have a bunch of different seashells. I want you to sort them however you want. Down here is a word bank of a few options. You can sort them by big, little, rough, smooth, bumpy, fat, thin. You could sort them by their color, if they're light or heavy. So you've got 7 different boxes right here. If you want to sort them 7 different ways, you can, or if you only want to sort them a couple different ways, you can do that too. Down here, after you have sorted your seashells, you can write the word of the property that you used in this box and then count how many you found. So for example, if you wanted to use big, the big category, you would write the word big right here. Find all of your big seashells, graph them on the graph, and then you would write the number down here. How many big shells did you find? If you have any questions, come back to the QR code and you can rescan it to, hear the instructions again. Have fun!